Here at our colleges we have a wide range of courses on offer for students. We cover from level 1 to level 3 in both hairdressing, beauty therapy, media makeup and also barbering. So we're really lucky that we've got state-of-the-art salons and spas for our students. So we've got a fully fledged sauna, a steam room. In the classrooms we have a working salon. So in the hair salon we've got basins for students to wash the hair, as well as dryers and mirrors. In our makeup rooms we've got our studio lights so students can work and see properly and complete and perfect their work. If you've completed a level 1, you can then progress on to our level 2 programs. If you've completed level 2, we offer obviously a level 3 suite of qualifications. We do offer a HE program as well, so students can then progress onto university level. All of our courses, students will have to complete work experience, so they are sent off to the world of work, including spas, salons, hotels and somewhere where they'd like to work. Students get involved with lots of charity work, so most recently we've worked with the Intergenerational Event, Dementia Cafe as well as the YMCA. In terms of trips, we take our students up to Mac, so we've been to Carnaby Street, we've also been to Charlotte Tilbury, we work with Wella, Dermalogica, and we've also got exciting international trips including Paris and also Thailand.